How to send photos as documents in WhatsApp iPhone. First is by opening your Photos app and then choose the photo that you want to send to as a document. For example, I'll choose this photo. Simply click on the share button right here found on the lower left corner of the screen. Scroll down and look for Save to Files right here. Once you have done that, you may click on Save found on the upper right corner of the screen and proceed to WhatsApp. Choose the person that you want to send the file or the photo with, and then simply click on the plus button right here, click on Document, and choose the photo that you have just saved. Click on Open, wait for it to load, click on Send, and then there you go. You have sent a photo as document in WhatsApp.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.